so busy, and all my texts are falling to the ground. Once again, you tell the same old story. Yeah, it's all on me. Should stop with all the doubts, but I can feel a change that's coming on. I'm shedding skin, the feelings getting strong. And I have no illusion you're gonna lose me. Finally I'm taking enough. 'Cause you're all delusion, play confusion. Days are gonna get rough, but that's your karma, your karma. Time for you to suck it on up. And it's your
Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to another vlog, another week, another weekend, and another Saturday. Okay, so after almost a week, I'm come to start my car, and today we are going to Rasalkhor. Okay, to the car market because my video is over now. So let's see which cars we get for today. Get to shoot and vlog. So this also will be a lifestyle vlog where I'll be, making different videos, okay, small parts, and I'll be uploading it. Okay, so that's it for now. Let's go towards Rasalkhor, okay, in Dubai. Okay, right now I'm in Dubai only and it's very hot outside, so just cleaned the car from outside and then sitting inside now in the AC. Okay, by the way, I just bought some few accessories. One is this windshield. Okay, if you can see, okay, this is the sun rays protector for the windshield, so you can just put it over here and then you can go. Okay, right now I don't take the car to the office because we have a bus pickup service every day, so I go in that only. So it's just a matter of few minutes from here. Otherwise, just to take out the car and again to take it out here and there, nahi hota subah to bilkul possible nahi. Okay, because I go very early. And second is this tissue. Okay, this is a tissue basically. So I just bought this. Okay, so this is also part of the accessory only. So let's go towards Rasalkhor now, and I will see you directly in Dubai Auto Zone. Okay, see you.
all delusion, play confusion. Days are gonna get right, but that's your karma. Time for you to suck it on up, and it's your karma. You're gonna learn just how to lose. Your karma. What goes comes around, round, round. What goes comes around, round, round. What goes comes around, round, round. What goes comes around.
Okay guys, so finally reached Rasalkhor after a very long time. It's been, I guess, almost around 2 months maybe. Last time we came somewhere in September. Okay, that too in the bus. Okay, like last lifestyle vlog that you must have watched. Okay, I had come to Rasalkhor by by bus. Okay, but today I'm come with my own car. Okay, and it's over here now. Yes, this is the beauty. This is my car. Okay, it was a really nice drive, sorry. Okay, it took me almost like 1 hour from Barsha to Rasalkhor because actually there was a lot of traffic on the road. Okay, and middle I stopped for refueling also, so fuel ki bhi zarurat thi. Then I used the washroom and all. It took a lot of time. Right now let's see which cars we'll get. I just parked the vehicle and let's make a review vlog of any car that we get. Okay, and I will see you after some time. Okay. Okay guys, so we got the Kia Sportage today. Okay, very nice and premium car. Okay, it's a lot of features. Okay, it doesn't feel like a normal Kia or Hyundai. It feels so premium. Okay, look at this now. Okay, this is the level which Kia is offering now in 2022, 2023, 2024. Since the time they have actually entered, like 2023, 2024 na, their cars have become very premium. Okay, so this is the level which Kia and Hyundai are going. Okay, and I specifically like Kia. Even my dad likes Kia. Okay, So do you think like we should consider this car in the upcoming years? Do let me know, okay? So right now the interior is short. Right now let's go to the exterior. Rear also is remaining, and then finally let's wind up. Okay, by the way, there is one Fortuner also. So I'm thinking to make a vlog on the Fortuner as well, okay? So Dubai ki Fortuner, let's see, okay? So I told them I just want a Fortuner also, okay? So I will just see you after some time. Okay guys, two vlogs already shot. One was the Kia Sportage, another one was this Volkswagen ID7. Okay, it's basically an electric car, so they gave me this vehicle. I was asking about the Fortuner, but the Fortuner is already sold off. Okay, and sold cars they don't give you, just like the ones which are not yet sold, those they will give you. So I got okay, no issues. Okay, I will vlog on some other vehicles. So two vlogs already shot, no problem. Now for the next 2 weeks. Okay, right now two vlogs are shot, and I'm thinking to go to CGM Auto. Okay, let's see our brother Mr. Arul Fernandez, if he is there and if he can give me some cars for today. Otherwise we'll go back. And by the way, if you remember, Toyota Crowns, okay, these are new stock which has come. Previous ones are sold off, and new cars are also available. Okay, I was even looking for this Kia actually, it's very small car but this also is sold off. Okay, so now let's go back home, and over here the Honda Civic, our car. Okay, I had parked it over here only in the sun. So let's go to CGM Auto. It's just like a 5 minutes drive from here. So let's drive first, and then I will meet you after some time. Okay guys, so before we continue, I just thought that we'll just change that t-shirt, because it was actually quite sweated in the sun, and I thought we'll change that t-shirt also, because we are going to CGM Auto now. Okay, and let's finish off and let's move. I guess there are some cars which are passing by from here. Okay, so I had this shirt at my residence only, and I had bought because I knew that whenever I come over here I get like very sweaty over here. That's the reason I had bought this t-shirt also. So let's go to CGM Auto. Okay, let's drive now.
अपनी बना ले मुझको आज तू लेके हाथों में हाथ मेरा हो अपनी बना ले मुझको आज तू लेके हाथों में हाथ मेरा हो.
Okay guys, so I had come to CGM Auto now. So they are saying that the 2025 Nissan Petrol is already come. It's there, but it's not there in the stock. Okay, it's all sold off. Or like the new cars, like they are all this Toyotas and Nissans and all those things, are like Land Cruisers and all. So these are like older models. So he told me like maybe in the upcoming Saturdays or something like that, he will give me a call. He will drop me a message, and then I will come. I will shoot for the vehicle.
We got it.
Hey guys, very good evening and welcome back to the same vlog. So today it's 31st night and I'm come to Global Village. Okay, so behind this you see it's Global Village. Last time we had come to Global Village in the bus. This time we are come with the car, but this time I come alone. My roommates had gone somewhere else, so मैं अकेला था. So I thought like let's go to Global Village today. Okay, because there is spectacular fireworks show over here. Okay, fireworks which will happen downtown Burj Khalifa. No point of going because roads are closed, too much of crowd. This is one place where you can come and enjoy the fireworks. Right now it's only around 11. There is one more hour to go, so let's go nearby to the Global Village entrance area, and then I'll get back to you. Okay.
We got everything we need right here. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go.
Okay guys, so I hope you like the fireworks show at Global Village also. So wishing you all a happy new year 2025. May God bless everyone and will bless every one of y'all. Okay, so this year also we'll try to do something different. Okay, we'll try to bring some different content as much as possible. Okay, last year 2024 was a mix of year for me. If you ask me, it was like, you know, certain things which were good, certain things which went bad also. But this year 2025, no expectations from anyone, but just trying to be best according to myself. Okay, so that's it for this video also. I hope you like the entire vlog, because this was a lifestyle vlog. We made it into smaller parts also. Okay, so right now it's already 12:30. I have to go back to Barsha now from Global Village. Okay, and I hope this year we'll do something different. Okay, and every year we'll try to get, you know, better by each year. Okay, let's focus on, you know, productivity. Let's focus on making money. No you know, useless things for this year. That is my agenda. Okay, no wasting time, no wasting money on useless people, useless things. So that was it. I hope you had a nice time. Okay, please like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to click on the notification bell. Otherwise you'll not get any of my crazy updates. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next upcoming vlog. Till then, happy new year 2025. God bless.